Those are SuperAtv what?
Terminator Max.
Terminator Max.
35s on 22.
Yeah, like those are big tires.
4.8, 85 pounds rim and tire.
Yeah.
Holy shit! Smash!
I'll tell you what, boys. These Aztecs work.
Oh yeah, they do.
Welcome to MuddinForParts numbers, boys. Figured out that I had my machine in normal mode for all of Skagtober, so that was great. It performed great though, so no complaints, so I didn't break anything. Maybe that's the key. You keep her front diff in a Canam in normal mode. And Dan's gonna hit this guy right here.
Does it make more sense than to go in that way?
This way?
Yeah.
It's steep coming out of there too.
Oh.
It's gonna be a way better video you come this way. Oh yeah.
When everything breaks.
Yeah.
Put you on the spot here.
So this is our first little mud hole test with the Qsc, the new Qsc. She's deep. Yeah.
Not too shabby. I am in China here.
Man, those 35s are impressive tires, eh?
Yeah, those. I am in China. He did pretty good.
Dan's fine. Dan's our depth finder over here.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Yeah. What are so those are SuperAtv what?
Terminator Max.
Terminator Max.
35s on 22.
Yeah, like those are big tires.
4.8, 85 pounds rim and tire.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're the same as my Assassinators.
Yep.
My 20s or
Yep.
36s, but so much wider. These actually bog more
Yep.
than.
Well, look at your contact patch, right?
That's massive.
Yeah, like you're moving dirt with those.
Yeah, you can't tune on it.
No, no. They got a good lug on them though, like 2 inch, 2.5.
Yeah, I think 2 2.25, something like that.
Yeah.
They climb nice.
Yep.
To the right. Yeah.
Yeah, they popped up out of here like nothing.
I'm not going.
And like that's a bit of a shelf there.
I'm not going into that.
So
hole.
It's hard. It's that deep. Just keep going.
like I'm impressed with those tires.
Or to the right.
Those-
For this. Right.
Yeah, exactly.
This is their place.
Yeah.
Which is why I got a set of those for everywhere else.
Yep. Yeah, because
Right, Brandon.
I can only imagine trail riding with those would suck. Too wide. Yeah. Yeah.
It's funny. They feel like an Assassinator.
Yep.
The way they float.
Yeah.
We got to get in the corner. Because they're wide though. You can.
Yeah.
I got a leaky wader.
Yeah.
I just.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah, because they got a lot of contact patch on there. Yeah. Yeah.
For a big dick tire.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
That's all you own, Mike.
I got a set of size dicks. You're good.
it.